I am Professor Saurabh Parmeshwar Gaikwad from Let Kumari Durgaki Bangalore Science College, Dumar. Okay. We are learning the topic matrices. Okay. And in the last lecture, we have seen some different type of matrices. Today we will continue with that point and see remaining topics or remaining properties of matrices. Okay. Some remaining types of matrices. Okay. So the next point is the transpose of matrix. You know, you may have seen previous or you may have learned in 11th standard what is transpose of matrix. The transpose of matrix is nothing but to interchange the rows and column. If we are given a matrix A and if we interchange rows to column, then the new matrix is called transpose of the given matrix. Okay. So we will write definition. A M by N matrix, M by N matrix obtained from a N by M matrix by interchanging rows and columns is called transpose of given matrix. Okay. So what is the transpose matrix? Transpose of matrix is nothing but to interchange rows and columns. For example, we are given matrix A is equal to 2, 0, 1, 3 and 4, 2. Okay. This matrix has 3 rows, 2 columns. So order of matrix is 3 by 2. So transpose of matrix A divided by A dash is what we have to do? Just interchange row to column and column to row. So M by matrix will first matrix was N by M order becomes M by N order because rows and column get interchanged. So first column becomes here first row. So 2, 1, 4 and second column becomes second row 0, 3, 2. Now see here 2, 0 is the first column but it was previously the first row. Here order is 3 by 2. Here order is 2 by 3. So this is the transpose of this matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns. Now the identity matrix is a matrix such that it is remain unchanged after transpose. So transpose of identity matrix is itself an identity matrix. We know identity matrix take order 2 by 2. 1, 0, 0, 1. If you take transpose, so 1, 0 is a column becomes row, 0, 1 is a column becomes row. Is again a 1, 0, 0, 1. So again a identity matrix. So I is equal to I dash. So transpose of identity matrix is again a identity matrix. There is no change for identity matrix, but this is not case for other matrices. Okay. So understand what is the transpose matrix? Okay. Now the next type is symmetric matrices. Okay. What is the symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix is a matrix such that A transpose is equal to A. Okay. Now this is not a symmetric matrix. Why? Because this matrix is A. This matrix is A transpose, but they are not same. They are already not same. So they are not same. Okay. Even when order is same, the value must be same for matrix to be equal. Here A and A dash are not equal. So symmetric matrix is a square matrix. Okay. Symmetric matrix is a square matrix for which its transpose say a square matrix say A, for which A transpose is equal to A. Okay. So symmetric matrix are the matrices which remains unchanged after taking transpose. Okay. Or we can write another definition. If A is the matrix whose elements are Ai, J, and order is matrix must be square matrix to be symmetric. Say order is n by n. Okay. Okay. Then matrix is symmetric. Okay. If Aij is equal to Aj, this is the condition for matrix to be symmetric. It is same as this. Now see, this identity matrix is the symmetric matrix. Okay, because after transpose matrix is same, and here A11. Okay, and so here there is no problem. A11 is 1, A12 is 0. So again A21 also equal to 0. Diagonal cannot anyway element, but Aij must be equal to Aj. So A12 here equal to A21. This is the condition. Okay. Now we will take example. Okay. Example of the matrix which is symmetric matrix. Okay. So the example is, you can have lots of examples. Okay. So I will take example. First we have to take a square matrix. Okay. So we will take matrix of order 3 by 3. Now there is no problem with diagonal. Okay. Say 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 5. Now this is the symmetric matrix. Why? If we take transpose, so here A dash is equal to, here first row becomes first column, so 1, 2, 0. Second row here becomes second column, so 2, 3, minus 1, and third row becomes third column, so 0, minus 1, 5. Now see again, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 5. Order 3 by 3, order 3 by 3. Values are same. So A is equal to A transpose. So this is the symmetric matrix because A transpose is equal to A. Also, now focus on this. Aij is equal to Aji. A11, A22, A33. There is no problem with the diagonal. They don't have any restriction because A11 always A11, AI is 1, J is 1. So Ij may be Aij is equal to Aij because I is 1, J is 1. So A11 is equal to A11. Okay. Now here A12 is 2 and this is A21. This is also 2. A12 and A21 are same. This is A13. This is A31. Again same. This is A23. This is A32. Again same. So if Aij is equal to Aji, then matrix is said to be symmetric matrix. Okay. So understand symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, the type of matrix is the skew symmetric matrix. We know symmetric matrix means A transpose is equal to A. So skew symmetric, also known as anti-symmetric. Okay. Also known as anti-symmetric matrix. Okay. Other name is skew symmetric, also known as anti-symmetric. So matrix A is said to be skew symmetric or anti-symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus of A. Symmetric where A transpose is equal to A, and skew symmetric or anti-symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus of A. Okay. Also, other definition is that Aij is equal to minus of Aji. Okay. Then also matrix is said to be skew symmetric or anti-symmetric if A12 is equal to minus of A21. Okay. Now using this condition, put I is equal to J. Okay. If you put I is equal to J, if I is equal to j, then we get ai, put I is equal to j, so I is equal to j is equal to I, is equal to minus, put I is equal to j, so is equal to minus ai. When it goes to left side, it implies twice ai is equal to 0. This means ai is equal to 0. That is a11, a22, a33, these are the diagonal elements of the skew symmetric matrix must be 0. Okay, this implies diagonal elements are 0 for skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so example of skew symmetric matrix, this condition must be satisfied, or this, but for in skew symmetric matrix diagonal elements are must be 0. Okay. For example, take the matrix B, is equal to say 0, I is the imaginary number of 1. Okay, then minus I 0, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Now, if we take transpose of this B, then we get B transpose is equal to this first row become first column 0, I, 1. The second row becomes second column, so minus I, 0, 2. The third row becomes third column, minus 1, minus 2, 0. This is the transpose of this matrix. Okay. Now, if you take minus sign outside, okay, so this, if you take minus outside, then this become minus become plus, this become plus, this become minus, minus 0 is 0, this become plus, this become minus, this become minus. Then see 0 I1, 0 I1, minus I0 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0. Same, only minus sign. So B dash is equal to minus of this value. This is B. So here B dash is equal to minus of B. Okay, B transpose is equal to minus of B. This is the antisymmetric matrix. So for antisymmetric matrix, how I constructed antisymmetric matrix? By taking diagonal 0 and A12 is equal to minus of A21. So I minus I. A13 minus of A31. 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. This is how we can construct antisymmetric matrix. Okay. The next type matrix is conjugate. The next one is conjugate of a matrix. Okay. So here we comes in focus the matrix with complex entries. We know conjugate of a complex number in A plus IB. If A plus IB is a complex number, then its conjugate is always equal to A minus IB. Okay. And we know the conjugate of real number, say 2, but 2 is equal to 2 plus 0i. So 2 bar is equal to 2 minus 0i, but minus 0i is nothing but 0, so 2 bar is equal to 2. Conjugate of any real number is equal to itself. Only problem with complex number. If A plus IB is a complex number, its conjugate is equal to A minus IB. Okay. Now what is meant by conjugate of matrix? This is our conjugate of number, complex number. What is conjugate of matrix? The conjugate of matrix is nothing but matrix obtained by taking conjugate of the elements. Okay. Matrix obtained by taking conjugate, matrix obtained by taking conjugate of the elements of the matrix. Okay. For example, take the matrix A is equal to 1, 2 plus I, 3, I, okay, 0, 1 minus I, 1, 2, 3. So this is the matrix. Then A conjugate is denoted by taking bar, okay, A bar or A conjugate is equal to just take the conjugate. 1 is real number, so conjugate of 1 is 1. 2 plus I, conjugate of 2 plus I is 2 minus I. 3 is real number, so conjugate of 3 is 3. I is complex number, conjugate of I is minus I. 0 real number, conjugate of 0 is 0. 1 minus I, conjugate is 1 plus I. Okay, a plus I becomes a minus I. Okay, if it is minus, then it will become plus. Then 1 is real number, so 1, 2 as it is, and 3 as it is. This is the conjugate matrix of matrix A. Okay, A bar or A conjugate obtained by taking conjugates of the elements of the matrix. So such that matrix are said to be conjugate of the matrix. Okay, so how we take conjugate of the matrix? By taking conjugate of the elements of the matrix. Okay, the next type is the conjugate of the matrix. The name conjugate is combination of conjugate and transpose. Okay, so the matrix obtained by taking transpose of conjugate matrix is called conjugate of matrix. Okay, conjugate means transpose of conjugate and denoted by a theta. So it's nothing but the transpose of conjugate matrix. Matrix A is given, we take conjugate matrix, and transpose of that conjugate matrix is called A conjugate and divided by A theta. Okay, for example, suppose A is equal to the matrix 1, okay, 1 plus I, 2 minus I. Then to obtain a conjugate, first we have to calculate a conjugate. So a conjugate is equal to, just take conjugate. Conjugate of 1 is 1 because 1 is real number. Conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I. Conjugate of 2 is 2. Conjugate of minus I is plus I. So a conjugate is equal to the obtained by taking transpose of this conjugate matrix, and transpose of this matrix is, this row becomes column 1, 1 minus I, this row 2, and so this matrix is conjugate of this matrix. The next type is Hermitian matrix. Hermitian matrix is very much similar to the symmetric matrix, but the Hermitian matrix is in case of complex matrices. Okay, so if the entries are real, then Hermitian matrix becomes symmetric matrix. Okay, a matrix or square matrix. Okay, for symmetric matrix, Hermitian matrix must be square matrix. Okay, a square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be Hermitian matrix if a conjugate is equal to A. So it is similar between, definition is similar to the symmetric matrix. In symmetric matrix, A transpose is equal to A. In Hermitian matrix, A conjugate is equal to A. Then matrix is said to be Hermitian matrix. Okay. Also, in symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aj. Here, matrix is Hermitian matrix if Aij is equal to Aj conjugate. If this condition is satisfied, then this condition is also satisfied. So matrix is Hermitian matrix. What is the condition? Aij is equal to conjugate of Aj. If I is equal to j, okay, or if you put I is equal to j, then we get Ai. Put I is equal to j, put I is equal to j is equal to Ai conjugate. So for diagonal entries, the number and its conjugate are equal. This happens only in case of real number, because Only if number is purely real number, then only its conjugate is equal to again that number. In case of complex number, conjugate of a plus bi is always equal to a minus bi, so they cannot be equal. So here for diagonal entries must be real, because for diagonal entries aij is equal to ai, so aii is equal to conjugate of ai. Number and its conjugate are equal if only if number is a real number. So in case of Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements must be purely real numbers. Okay, now we'll take example. Consider the matrix A. Okay, now for Hermitian matrix, diagonal entries must be real number. Okay, so we can take diagonal entry as a real number, and the aij must be equal to aji conjugate. Okay, suppose aij is equal to I, then aji must be conjugate of I, and conjugate of I is minus I. Now this is the Hermitian matrix. You can check A conjugate is equal to A. We will check here. Okay, now this is A, so A conjugate is equal to this is 1, this I column, row becomes column, this row becomes column. Okay, now A conjugate obtained by taking transpose of this conjugate matrix. What is the transpose of this conjugate matrix? Okay, sorry. Okay, first we have here I have taken by mistake conjugate. I have taken transpose. We have to take only conjugate. Conjugate of 1 is 1. Conjugate of I is minus I. Conjugate of minus I is I. And conjugate of 0 is 0. Now a conjugate nothing but the transpose of this matrix. Now we have to take transpose. Okay, first we have taken just conjugate. Conjugate of 1 is 1. Conjugate of I is minus I. Conjugate of minus I is plus I, and conjugate of 0 is 0. Now we take transpose of this matrix, because we know a conjugate is nothing but the transpose of conjugate matrix. This is conjugate matrix. Now take transpose of this matrix. To transpose of this matrix is equal to this 1 and minus I becomes column here, this I and 0. Now see a theta, a conjugate is same as A, 1 I minus I 0. So A is equal to, or A conjugate is equal to A. The matrix is Hermitian matrix. Now skew Hermitian matrix. Okay, again it is similar to the skew symmetric matrix. In skew symmetric matrix, A transpose is equal to minus A, and here a square matrix is said to be a skew Hermitian matrix if A conjugate is equal to minus A. Similar definition: a square matrix A given by Aij is a skew Hermitian matrix if A conjugate is equal to minus A, or in terms of Aij here must be equal to minus of Aji conjugate. If these are get satisfied, matrix is to be skew Hermitian matrix. Now what about diagonal element? Put I is equal to J. For I is equal to J, the Ai is equal to minus, put I is equal to J. So Ai conjugate. This applies. Take this to left side. So Ai as it is, minus become here, plus Ai conjugate is equal to 0. So diagonal entries must be such that element plus its conjugate equal to 0. This happens only when either element is 0, because 0 plus 0 conjugate of 0 is equal to 0, or element is purely imaginary, means there is no real part. This is complex number A plus IB. It is the complex number, but this A is for real part. If there is no real part, element is of type only I into some number, then element is said to be purely imaginary number. And if this is IB, its conjugate is minus IB, so IB minus IB becomes 0. Okay, so in case of Hermitian matrix, diagonal elements diagonal element is either 0 or purely imaginary number like this, only I into something, or purely imaginary number. Now we will take the example of skew Hermitian matrix. Now suppose the matrix B is equal to okay. So suppose now for skew Hermitian matrix, diagonal is either equal to 0 or purely imaginary number. So we can take 0 here. We can take 2i here. I can take only minus I here. Okay. Now see diagonal either 0 or purely imaginary number. There is no element like 1 plus 2i. Okay. We cannot take diagonal either 0 or purely imaginary number. Now suppose this number is 1, then this number must be minus of conjugate of that this element. A1 2 is equal to minus of conjugate of A2 1. So A1 2 is 1. This is minus of conjugate of 1. The conjugate of 1 is 1. So minus 1. If this is 1 plus I, here minus of conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I. Okay. Conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I. Okay. But minus of conjugate. So minus 1 minus plus I. So minus 1 plus I. Okay. Here you put it 2, then it must be minus. Now check, this is the skew Hermitian matrix. Okay. How it is check? Take conjugate, check it is equal to minus of that matrix. This is our matrix B. So B conjugate the obtained by taking conjugate of the each element. So conjugate of 0 is 0, conjugate of 1 is 1, conjugate of 1 plus I is 1 minus I, conjugate of minus 1 is minus 1, conjugate of 2i is minus twice I, conjugate of 2 is 2, conjugate of minus 1 plus I is minus 1 minus I, conjugate of minus 2 is minus 2, and conjugate of minus I is plus I. Okay. Now B conjugate is obtained by taking transpose of the conjugate matrix. Take transpose of this matrix. So transpose is equal to 0 1 1 minus I. First row becomes first column 0 1 1 minus I. Second row becomes second column. So minus 1 minus twice I. This is plus 2. Then third row becomes third column. So minus 1 minus I, then minus 2 and plus I. Now take the minus sign common. Okay. So if you take minus outside, this minus 1 become plus 1. This minus 1 minus I become plus 1 plus I. This become minus 1. This become plus twice I. This become plus 2. This become minus I. This become minus 2. This become minus 1 plus I. Now see, what is this? 0 plus 1. 1 plus I, minus 1, twice I, 2, okay, this become 2, minus 1 plus I, minus 2 and minus I. What is this? Nothing but B. So minus of B. Minus of B. So here B conjugate is equal to minus of B. A conjugate is equal to minus of A. So this implies this matrix B is a skew Hermitian matrix. Okay.